Welcome to our channel. In today's guide, we will provide you with a comprehensive overview of the top active promo codes for Hotels.com for July 2025. Follow these steps to maximize your savings on your next hotel booking. Step 1. Visit Hotels.com. Start by navigating to the Hotels.com website. Make sure you're on the homepage, as this is where you'll find the best options for your hotel search. Step 2. Search for your destination. Enter your travel destination, check-in and check-out dates, and the number of guests in the provided fields. Click on the search button to see available hotels. Step 3. Browse hotel options. Once the search results are displayed, browse through the list of hotels. You can filter results based on ratings, price, and amenities to find the perfect accommodation for your needs. Step 4. Check for promo codes. Before finalizing your booking, look for any active promo codes that you can apply. You can often find these codes on the homepage or in the promotion section of the website. Additionally, visit reliable coupon websites to check for the latest discounts. Step 5. Select your hotel. Click on the hotel you're interested in. Review the details, including the guest reviews, amenities, and cancellation policy. Make sure it meets your requirements. Step 6. Enter your promo code. When you proceed to the booking page, look for the promo code box. Enter your active promo code here. Ensure that the code is valid and applicable to your selected hotel and dates. Step 7. Complete your booking. After entering your promo code, check that your discount has been applied to the total amount. Fill in your guest information and payment details, then finalize your booking by clicking the Book Now button. Step 8. Confirmation. Once your booking is complete, you will receive a confirmation email. Review it to ensure all details are correct. Keep this email handy for your check-in. Thank you for following this step-by-step guide to saving money on Hotels.com in July 2025. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks, and please give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful.